it. The same is here also for the rectangle. If you click on the rectangle, you can draw the rectangle, and when you click on that again, it's gonna ask you for the first point. So I can, for example, so I want to start from 10 and 10. So in 10, then press the tab, 10 again, and enter. So it's going to be my first corner, and the second corner, assume my length I want to be 50 and 25. So enter the 50 for the length and press the tab, and 25 for the height, and press enter. So it's gonna draw it for me. Again, you'll look at it, it's gonna be one object. So as I said, I could have done it with a series of lines like this, um, but when you're doing that with the line, you're gonna get a couple of uh, lines, while here you just get a single object when you do it um, with line. But when you do it with the box, you get a single object.